In this video, I want to show you how to change on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro and Air your alarm clock volume and also your alarm clock ringtone or sound if you prefer. So first of all, how to change the sound? Well, you simply need to go into your clock app. If you don't see it anywhere, simply go all the way towards the right side, tap on App Library and type clock. To change the alarm sound, simply tap on it, tap on sound and choose another one from this list. Now the volume of this alarm is not in this menu. It's a bit confusing. You need to exit and go into the settings of your iPhone. So go and tap on settings. Usually once you open setting, it should look like this. Go down and we need to find sound and haptics. Here we go. Sound and haptics. Tap. And down below, you're going to get ringtone and alerts. This is going to control the volume of the ringtones of your phone and at the same time of the alarm. Both of them are linked together. So you're going to set this up at the level you want. And this is about it. You just have to exit everything and it will work the way you decided. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Or not.